Welcome, I'll be starting in a bit.
Thank you.
Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. We have break 244 tonight. Got a mix of some 2022 products. 7 items, 2 packs, 4 blasters, and 1 hobby box tonight. Let's go over these real quick. Alright, we have a Topps Heritage Value Pack, 20 cards in here. And a Top Series 1 Value Pack, 36 cards in here. Looking for some Royal Blue Base parallels. Blasters, we have Topps Fire, 46 cards, 4 gold minted parallels on average. Topps Archives, 56 cards, 3 exclusive 88 Topps Big Foil inserts. Got a Gypsy Queen Blaster, 49 cards in here, 7 green parallels on average. And a Topps Chrome Blaster, 32 cards in here. 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. What's up, Andrew? Last box is a Prizm hobby box. 144 cards, 3 autographs on average per box. 15 Prizms on average, including 3 silvers. Alright, let's go over our participants and then we'll start. All right, break 244. John, Diamondbacks. Brian, Braves. Glenn, Orioles. Joey, Red Sox. Brian with the Cubs. Zach, White Sox. Timothy, Reds. Brandon, Guardians. Joshua, Rockies. John, Tigers. Mike, Astros. Jason, Royals. John, Angels, Dodgers. Marcus, Marlins. Michael, Brewers. Matt, Twins. Vladimir, Mets. Mark, Yankees. Jason, Athletics. Mike, Phillies. Rusty, Pirates. Andrew, Padres. Mike, Giants. Joe, Mariners. Andrew, Cardinals. Rusty, Rays. Marcus, Rangers. Joshua, Blue Jays. And Nolan with the Nationals. All right. Start off with the Heritage Pack tonight. 20 cards in here. Got the 1973 design this year. Good luck, everyone. All right, start to break off with Austin Slater, Luis Severino, Paul Goldschmidt, Connor Joe, Raisel Iglesias, Joey Gallo, Yu Chang, Harrison Bader, Eric Haas, Mike Yastrzemski, Matt Duffy, Luis Hill, rookie for the Yankees, Carson Kelly, Randy Rosarena, New Age Performers insert of Fernando Tatis, rookie Joe Barlow for the Rangers, Rafael Ortega, Gleyber Torres, Eric Lar, and Wilmer Flores. Let me just leave a few of these up real quick. Our next pack is the Series 1. have Tyler Stevenson, John Means, Greg Holland, Nolan Arenado, Pete Alonso, Eddie Rosario, Anthony Desclafani, Kyle Tucker, Kwang Young Kim, Miguel Cabrera, Aaron Ashby, rookie for the Brewers, Yermin Mercedes, Johnny Cueto, Lucas Giolito, Buster Posey, Craig Kimbrell, Rainbow Foil Parallel, Eric Hosmer for the Padres. Welcome to the show, Bo Jackson for the Royals. Stars of MLB, Vlad Guerrero Jr. and Key Brian Hayes. Mitch Moreland, rookie Chas McCormick for the Astros, Jose Iglesias, Marcus Stroman, Lars Nootbaar, rookie for the Cardinals, Aaron Judge, Patrick Maiseka, rookie for the Mets, Pedro Severino, Chad Pinder, Jake Cousins, rookie for the Brewers, Christian Walker, Jason Hayward, Joe Musgrove, Eugenio Suarez, Tom Murphy, and Brendan Rodgers. Let me sleeve some of these up real quick. All right, on to our blasters. We will start with Gypsy Queen. Got 49 cards in here, 7 green parallels on average. Normally 1 per pack. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. 7 cards per pack. Good luck. Luis Castillo, Brandon Woodruff, Ryan Weathers, Ha-Seong Kim, Carlos Santana, green parallel of Ahmed Rosario for the Guardians, Cal Raleigh, rookie for the Mariners. Raleigh. Lucas Giolito, Austin Hayes, Brady Singer, insert a Pete Alonso for the Mets, a green Carlos Correa, still at the Astros here, rookie Juan Yepes for the Cardinals, and Otto Lopez, rookie for the Blue Jays. Yepes there. Brandon Crawford, Corey Seager, Lars Nootbaar, rookie for the Cardinals, Vlad Guerrero Jr., green Michael Conforto, Gleyber Torres, and Yohan Moncada. Nootbaar. Matt Carpenter, Ryan Valad, rookie for the Rockies, Max Muncy, Willie Adames, green Chris Bryant for the Giants, Luis Campusano, and Yordan Alvarez. Anthony Rizzo, Gary Sanchez, Jorge Soler, Dansby Swanson, a green Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles, Hans Kraus, rookie for the Phillies, and Devi Garcia. Trent Grisham, Rhys Hoskins, Colton Welker, rookie for the Rockies, Andrew Benintendi, green Devin Williams for the Brewers, Jonathan India, and Michael Conforto. Last pack of Gypsy Queen. Mike Clevenger, Starling Marte, Dallas Keuchel, Brandon Nemo. That's going to be a short print Yogi Berra for the Yankees. Anything over 300. A green Jose Barrero for the Reds, and a Devin Williams. Just going to go to Mark. All right, we'll go next blaster. Do the Topps Fire. 46 cards. 4 gold minted parallels to look out for. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 6 cards per pack, 42 cards plus the 4 gold. 46. Got a Winder rookie, Josh Winder for the Twins. Anthony Rizzo. Got an on fire insert of Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. Spencer Strider rookie for the Braves. Jesse Winker and Jose Berrios. Strider rookie. Let's go on Brian P. Rookie Alec Thomas for the D-backs. Sonny Gray. Got a red parallel here of Jared Kelenic for the Mariners. Not numbered. Marcus Stroman, Austin Meadows, Xander Bogaerts. Gold minted Austin Riley for the Braves. Oscar Hernandez, Andrew Vaughn, Josh Lowe, rookie for the Rays, Alec Thomas, rookie, parallel, number to 99 for the D-backs, Jack Flaherty, and Jorge Soler. Going to John. Connor Wong, Lars Nootbaar rookie for the Cardinals, Flamethrowers insert Jacob deGrom, Brandon Crawford, Brandon Marsh rookie for the Angels, Brian Reynolds, gold minted Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. Looking more like an Astros-Phillies World Series. Rookie Jake McCarthy for the Diamondbacks, Blake Snell, Mike Trout, Gavin Sheets rookie for the White Sox, Adolis Garcia, and Jose Siri rookie for the Astros. Rookie Colton Welker, Rockies, JT Realmuto, Trey Mancini, red parallel Juan Soto, not numbered, Derek Jeter, Walker Buehler, gold minted Trevor Story for the Red Sox. All right, last pack of fire. Max Scherzer, Stephen Kwan rookie for the Guardians, Byron Buxton, on fire insert of Mookie Betts, Dodgers, Mike Piazza, Alex Kirilloff, gold minted Shohei Ohtani. Shohei is going to go to John. All right, next blaster. We'll go Topps Archives next. 56 cards. Looking for 3 exclusive 1988 Topps Big Foil cards. Three designs this year above the main base. I think it's 63, 78, and 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 cards per pack. Good luck. Christian Yelich, Chris Bryant, Emmanuel Clase, Jonathan India, Cal Ripken Jr., Frank Thomas, Johnny Bench, rookie Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates. Kevin Gossman, Tony Gwynn, Roger Clemens, Luis Hill, rookie for the Yankees, Brian De La Cruz, rookie for the Marlins, Marcus Semien, Big Foil, Seth Beer for the D-backs, Ketel Marte, and Bo Bichette. Dale Murphy, rookie Bryson Stott for the Phillies, Roberto Clemente, Duke Snyder, Richie Ashburn, Corbin Burns, Pedro Martinez, Satchel Paige, St. Louis Browns going to the Orioles. Zach Wheeler, Max Scherzer, rookie Spencer Torkelson for the Tigers, rookie Royce Lewis for the Twins, got a parallel of Ernie Banks for the Cubs. It's going to be 63 out of 75. That's it for the Cubs. Edgar Martinez, Jake Cronenworth, Keibert Ruiz. It's going to go to Brian G. 63 out of 75. Torkelson rookie, that's going to go to John. Tarek Skubal, Luis Castillo, Eloy Jimenez, Wade Boggs, Alex Kirilloff. First career walk-off, that's Aaron Judge. Rookie O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates and Xander Bogaerts. It's going to Rusty. Next pack. Rookie Reed Detmers for the Angels, Shane Baz rookie for the Rays, Adam Wainwright, Jose Altuve, Tyler Stevenson, Big Foil, Carlton Fisk, on to the White Sox, Kyle Tucker, Starling Marte, Jared Kelenic. All right, last pack of archives. Patrick Corbin, Joe Mauer, Mike Trout, rookie Gavin Sheets for the White Sox, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, Big Foil of Frank Thomas, David Wright, Jim Palmer, and Elohiris Montero, rookie for the Rockies. All right, last blaster, Topps Chrome. Give me a second here. Let me approve someone real quick. All right. Topps Chrome. 32 cards. 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs, 4 cards per pack. Good luck. Mitch Haniger. Matt Manning, rookie for the Tigers. A refractor of J.D. Martinez for the Red Sox. And Trent Grisham. Does have a little bit of bow on there. Bow action going on. Kevin Gossman. Lance Lynn. Got a New Classics insert of Trey Turner for the Dodgers. Casey Mize and a sepia refractor of Josh Hader for the Brewers. Next pack. Bryce Harper, rookie Ernie Clement for the Guardians. 35th anniversary of George Springer, Blue Jays. Jared Kelenic. Fernando Tatis, Cole Calhoun. All right, got a parallel here. Nice aqua Freddie Freeman. Nice little mini diamonds. Number to 199. Yordan Alvarez and a pink refractor rookie of Aaron Ashby for the Brewers. Just gonna go to Michael B. Brian P. Freddie Freeman for the 199. Got a little dark. Zach Pop, rookie for the Marlins. Juan Soto, Corbin Burns refractor. Lars Nootbaar, rookie. That's for the Cardinals. Joe Adell, Max Muncy, pink, Albert Pujols. That's going to be number to 399 for the Dodgers. Jesse Winker, a sepia refractor, Byron Buxton for the Twins. Dodgers for John. $3.99. Hyun-Jin Ryu, Patrick Wisdom, 35th, Matt Olson for the A's, Max Kranick, rookie for the Pirates. All right, last pack of Chrome. DJ LeMahieu, Joey Votto. Nice, that's an O'Neal Cruz Prizm refractor. Good hit there for the Pirates. Gavin Sheets, rookie for the White Sox, and a pink Dylan Carlson, Cardinals. Going to Rusty. All right, last box, hobby box, Prizm. Got 144 cards, 3 autographs on average. Looking for some Prizm parallels, at least 15 on average, 3 silvers. An empty box. Again, this should be 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cards per pack. Good luck, everyone. Walker Buehler, Bryce Harper, Reese Conner, rookie for the Padres, Ian Anderson, a little dent there. Rookie Reed Detmers for the Angels, Yuli Gurriel, John Gray, Jorge Polanco, Illumination, Jacob deGrom. That's a nice illumination. It's going to be a Prizm parallel, I believe. Vlad Jr. Yep, number to 199. Fearless insert of Max Scherzer. Also a Prizm. And a Sluggers of Yordan Alvarez. Let me sleeve some of these up real quick. Gonna Joshua. Number to 199. Next pack. Tyler Glasnow, Chris Bryant, Patrick Maiseka, rookie for the Mets, Javi Baez, Trevor Rogers, Jose Abreu, Brian Hayes, rookie Cooper Criswell for the Angels, Fearless Trey Turner. That's going to be our first hit here. Rowanzi Contreras. That's a silver rookie auto. Not numbered. Silver of Kevin Gossman. Rookie class Brandon Marsh for the Angels. All right, Contreras, another Pirates for Rusty. Say blue there. Yohan Moncada, rookie Hunter Green for the Reds. Jose Siri for the Astros. Mike Bauman, rookie for the Orioles. Kyle Tucker. Jake Cousins, rookie for the Brewers. Anthony Rizzo, Jose Ramirez, Fernando Tatis. Got a stained glass, Mike Trout. Robbie Ray, blue. Those aren't numbered. Stargazing, Mike Trout. 2 Mike Trouts in here. Couple of Mike Trouts for John. Hunter Green, rookie. That's going to go to Tim. Jacob Robson, rookie Tigers. Yanni Hernandez, rookie Rangers. Bryce Elder, rookie for the Braves. Kervin Castro, rookie Giants. Zach Rex, rookie for the Rangers. Blake Snell, Willie McCovey, Kirby Puckett, Fearless, Javi Baez, Stargazing, Silver, Marcus Simeon. Red, Austin Riley. Emergent, Ozzy Albies for the Braves. Next pack. Shane McClanahan, rookie Chaz McCormick for the Astros, Ryan Feltner, rookie for the Rockies, Byron Buxton, Tony Santillan for the Reds, Elvis Paguero, rookie Angels, Charlie Blackmon, Max Scherzer, old school, Griffey Jr. Nice hit here. Nick Lodolo, rookie, Cracked Ice. That's number to 25. Josiah Gray, silver rookie for the Nationals. Championship stage, Austin Riley for the Braves. Lodolo, rookie parallel, number 225. Rookie Kyle Muller for the Braves, Gabriel Arias for the Guardians, Trevor Story, Jackson Reitz rookie for the Brewers, Garrett Cole, Miguel Cabrera, Adalis Garcia, Shane Baz rookie for the Rays, Ramon Laureano, Illumination, Bryce Harper insert, Red Miguel Cabrera, and a rookie clash of Josh Lowe for the Rays. Give me a second, let me put some of these away real quick. So six down, 6 to go. Vlad Guerrero Jr., rookie Sebastian Rivero for the Royals, Spencer Torkelson rookie for the Tigers, Robbie Ray, Chris Bassett, Corey Abbott rookie for the Cubs, Tariq Skubal, Harmon Killebrew, Fearless Yordan Alvarez, that's going to be our hit here. Going to be a Jake Brents for the Royals. Autograph, numbered 41 out of 50. Blue parallel Chris Sale for the Red Sox. And a Randy Arozarena Fireworks. It's going to Jason. 41 out of 50. Torkelson. Joan Duran, rookie for the Twins. Connor Siebold, rookie Red Sox. Marcus Simeon. Nick Allen, rookie for the A's. Brandon Marsh, rookie Angels. Paul Goldschmidt, Austin Warren, Angels rookie. Vidal Brujan for the Rays. Illumination, Mike Trout. And there's our last hit, Kyle Muller, auto, silver for the Braves. Red, old school, insert, Ryan Sandberg. Stargazing, Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox. Brian P. Nice Trout there. Next pack. Rookie Hoijun Park for the Pirates. Camilla Duvall, rookie for the Giants. Ozzy Albies. Rookie Stephen Kwan for the Guardians. Joe Neshwe Fargas, rookie for the Cubs. Joanna Don, rookie for the Nationals. Alfonso Rivas, rookie for the Cubs. Ichiro, Fearless Rafael Devers. Green, Alex Verdugo for the Red Sox. That's number to 125. John Duran, blue, rookie. And a Javi Baez, Lumber Inc. Verdugo for Joey, number to 125. Next pack. Trey Mancini, Max Muncy, rookie Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Freddie Freeman, Madison Bumgarner, Romy Gonzalez, rookie for the White Sox. Jared Kelenic, rookie Peyton Henry for the Marlins. Old school George Brett. Oh, got another hit. Nice. We will look that up. And it's going to be Edward Cabrera, rookie, autograph silver Prizm. Cabrera, I believe, is in the Marlins. Mackenzie Gore, red, parallel, rookie, Padres. Rookie class, Jake Berger. All right, it's going to go to the Marlins. Marcus. All right, last two packs of our break. I will do a recap after, and then most of your rookies will get sleeved up. Bigger hits, top loaded. No mail tomorrow, so hopefully out by Monday for you guys. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Alex Verdugo, rookie. CJ Abrams, Padres. Stuart Fairchild, rookie for the Diamondbacks. Clayton Kershaw, Greg Diekman, rookie for the Cubs. Yu Darvish, Jonathan India, Nick Algier, rookie, Blue Jays. Jose Berrios, Illumination, Corey Seager for the Rangers. Got a Brian De La Cruz, rookie, silver for the Marlins. Pete Alonso, Sluggers for the Mets. De La Cruz, silver. CJ Abrams there. All right, last pack. Ketel Marte, Alex Bregman, Cal Ripken, Shohei Ohtani, rookie. Oh, no rookie sign here. Royce Lewis for the Twins. Josh Hader, Teoscar Hernandez, Emmanuel Clase, Ty France, Fearless, Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Red parallel, Adolis Garcia for the Rangers. And last card is a Ketel Marte Emergent for the Diamondbacks. All right. Let's do a recap for you guys. Thank you, Andrew. Have a good night. All right. Go over some parallels and inserts really quick. Sluggers, Pete Alonso, Mike Trout, Ryan Sandberg, Bryce Harper, Griffey Jr., Austin Riley, Trout ×2, Jacob deGrom, Scherzer, Yordan Alvarez, Dylan Carlson, Byron Buxton, Trey Turner, Josh Hader, J.D. Martinez, Frank Thomas, Carlton Fisk, Ohtani, Soto, deGrom, Rhys Hoskins, Austin Riley, Jose Ramirez, Pete Alonso, Eric Hosmer, Bo Jackson, and Tatis. There's some rookies. Thank you, Melinda. Have a good night. Appreciate it. C.J. Abrams, Dela Cruz, silver. Mackenzie Gore, red. Stephen Kwan, Duran, blue. Josiah Gray, silver. McCormick, Hunter Green, rookie class Marsh, Gavin Sheets, Newt Bar, Pink Ashby, Clement, Manning, Gavin Sheets, Detmers, Boz, Lewis, Stott, Dela Cruz, Seth Beer, Castro, Kwan, that's the Mookie Betts insert, sorry, Gavin Sheets, Siri, Newt Bar, Thomas, Strider, Valad, Newt Bar, Yepes, Raleigh, McCormick, Newt Bar, and Luis Hill. Bigger hits here. Got that autograph of Edward Cabrera for the Marlins. A green Verdugo, that's numbered to 125. Insert Vlad Guerrero Jr., numbered to 199. Torkelson base rookie, Freddie Freeman, numbered to 199, I believe. Yes. Torkelson base. Pujols pink, 399. Red Ernie Banks, numbered to 75. O'Neill Cruz base. Alec Thomas rookie, numbered to 99. A Yogi Berra short print. O'Neill Cruz Prizm refractor. Nick Lodolo, numbered to 25. 3 autos. Kyle Muller, silver rookie. Rowanzi Contreras, silver rookie auto. And a rookie auto, Jake Brents for the Royals. That's going to be numbered 250. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Until next time, have a good night. Bye.